This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Joiplay, the matching plugin, and the game files. Open Joiplay, grant storage permission, and then tap Add Game to create an entry. Point Joiplay to the game folder. Select the folder that contains the executable script or index file. Once done, name the game clearly and choose the correct plugin type. This jumpstarts the app so it recognizes the engine. Make sure files are intact before proceeding to configuration. Now load and configure. Open the game entry and tap Settings to set the correct interpreter and script path. Wrong paths cause crashes, so verify file names. Configure touch controls and virtual keys. Map actions to on-screen buttons or gestures for smoother play. If performance lags, enable frame skip or reduce rendering options. Once settings look right, press Launch. Joiplay will parse resources and initialize the engine. If it stalls, stop and double-check plugin compatibility and file permissions before retrying. Finish by running a short playtest. Open menus, save, and verify audio/video sync to ensure everything runs normally. If you encounter crashes or missing text, open Joiplay's log to see errors. Many issues stem from wrong plugin versions, missing assets, or encoding mismatches. As a quick fix, recopy the game folder, replace missing data files, or switch interpreter encoding and relaunch. If performance still fails, try a different plugin build or reduce graphical options. Most problems resolve after one targeted tweak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.